So in the case if your Instagram confirmation code is not delivered to you, so in this video we're gonna learn how to fix that. Just watch the video till the end and do also follow all the steps properly. Alright, so first of all, go to your device settings, and then over there you have to go to applications, and in applications you have to go to applications management, and here basically you will find all the applications that are currently installed on your device. Anyways, so over here you have to search for Instagram, and in Instagram you have to go to permissions and make sure that all the permissions here for Instagram is allowed. If they are not, then go and check them all, because if the permissions are not allowed, then you cannot receive the confirmation code. Alright, so after checking all the permissions, you have to go to storage usage and then click on clear cache, so that all the corrupted cache memory for Instagram will be cleared and you will get a resetted version of Instagram. And then go back to the apps management main page, and over here again search for messages, and in messages again go to permissions, and now here you have to allow all the permissions including SMS permission, because if it is being disabled then your messages app will not allow any of the incoming message. So make sure to must check this out, and after doing all these steps go and retry the process, and most probably this time you will not face any kind of error. So I hope this tutorial helps you out. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.